If you want to disable two-factor authentication on your Etsy account, follow these simple steps to ensure your account settings are updated. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your username and password. Make sure you are accessing your account from a secure device. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to navigate to your account management options. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security tab. Click on it to access your security preferences, including two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Click on it to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm your changes. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. By following these steps, you can successfully turn off two-factor authentication on your Etsy account. Always remember to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and monitoring your account activity.